Empty. 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 Nothing. Gonna rescue us eventually. Eventually. What a welcome to Zimbabwe. Wow.
Hola, yo me llamo Paco y soy de la India. My mission is to run around 40 countries by just using Bitcoin. Join along to see how I eat, live, travel with Bitcoin.
Hi, good morning. This is 9th of June. I am on the Zimbabwe side. They let me go. That was pretty awesome. And I'm here. It's almost 7:30 a.m. and there is no buses. There is no taxi. There's nothing. All I have to wait is for a lorry. And they said that's about to come in like in an hour from now. So this is where I stayed. Check this out. This is my room. This was this kitchen here where he was cooking. And this is my bed. This is where I stayed for the night. He was very kind, man. Really helped me out, man. There's nothing here. This doesn't work. Nothing works. Nothing. It's crazy. Oh yes, let's go. Hey! This happened. It happened. Dude, this road ain't good. I just slipped from here. It's bad, man. Survived. I don't know. I have nothing more to say. We are alive. Peace. The driver is safe. Everyone's safe. Everyone's safe. Okay, I really want to thank the stars here. Like, I was just gonna go sit in the front right where that is gone. Like, I was just gonna go sit there because I wanted to get some good shots with the camera. This camera's back screen is full gone now. We are alive. Check this out, man. It's not a...
This one. His boss tell you, when you cross to Zimbabwe, give Rasta to drive. He refused.
Oh.
I was the one who was supposed to drive this side.
Because
that guy drive that side.
Because that's a clean road from where he
That's a clean road. Yeah, I have from 2004 driving this road until now. I don't have any accident. This is the first one. So now he's afraid because he was told on the phone. I don't know what you're going to tell boss.
Oh my God. It's on. That is our rescue. Look at this. We're gonna put everything in there. Everything's just gonna sit in there. Bro, this is our rescue now. Hi, good morning. This is it. I was just staying at the Backpackers Rest Quality. And now I am off to get myself a SIM card. This is called Mushingo. And then to Bulawayo.
It's already 11. I am finally eating some food after what? 1.5, 2 days. Wow. Right now.
Hi, what's up? Reached Bulawayo. And gonna meet Langa, who's gonna pick me up. But before that, let's just walk. I really love the open space they have here, man. Big roads, good blocks. Let's walk. How are you?
I'm fine, man. Oh, it's recording. How is it? Like, we are here with Paco, man. You know, Langa, Chiruka. Yes.
Nice to meet you, man.
Same here, man. Bitcoin Bulawayo.
Thank you for hosting me.
Yes, you know, pleasure, man. It's a pleasure.
Yeah. What's up, man?
How you guys doing? It's good to see you guys.
This is it, man. This is the chicken in team.
You know what?
You woke up in the morning. You were doing some exercise in the morning.
Yeah, no, like yesterday.
Okay, let's
That's
go.
how we got late.
Okay, let's do this. This is man.
What up?
Let's go, man. This is Bulawayo.
This is Bulawayo on Keta 9.
And these are our stadiums.
Stadium.
This is Old Trafford.
Old Trafford. This is Old Trafford. Nice. Keep it, bro.
This one.
Take it.
This one I'm keeping.
Keep it, bro.
Thank you. Bitcoin mask. Yeah.
Hey.
We're here with the Bitcoin mask.
Alright, hi, this is for the Bitcoin Meetup, and this is an awesome question. This is called EcoCash mobile money, which I'm gonna ask people. Do you have EcoCash?
Is anyone using the FCA? Do I have EcoCash?
Yeah.
Zero.
Do you have EcoCash?
No EcoCash.
Do you have EcoCash?
No.
Do you have EcoCash?
No.
Do you have EcoCash? Do you have EcoCash? Do you have EcoCash?
No.
Do you have EcoCash? This is mobile money and they don't have EcoCash. This is Zimbabwe and they want Bitcoin adoption. This is gonna be crazy. This is reality 2022.
You buying about like, because I remember when Bitcoin was about $1, right? Bitcoin fell to $1, most of you people will go crying and say, listen, 3% of the world's population.
Yeah, 3% of the world population. You know, they are the only ones. You know, who are into Bitcoin. You know, our guest of honor. This man.
From India.
It's so cool, man.
Yeah, so this is 20 billion.
Wow, I'm a billionaire.
Yeah.
I made it.
And
Mama
then-
will be proud.
And then this one is 5 billion.
Yes, thank you, man.
So you can, you know,
Smells money.
Yeah. Wherever you
Fresh
go.
from the printing press.
Yeah. So wherever you go, you just show them, you know, I've been in Zimbabwe.
Nice, man. Thank you, brother.
Yeah.
That's kind of you,
You're
man.
welcome, man.
But really good
Where
one.
did you get
Thank
that?
you.
Did you keep that since?
This is your culture. Hey. Good.
Yeah.
I've seen this, yeah.
Okay, you've seen this.
Yeah, yeah.
It's originated from the Shona speaking people.
Shona speaking.
Shona speaking people.
Okay.
That's why that's
So
Zimbabwe
it's,
thing.
Nice.
So where are you from? Tell me.
I'm from India.
India. Nice meeting you. I like Indiana.
Yeah, I like Jones.
You like Jones? Indiana Jones. There, you are a man, man.
Take away.
your cam?
Yeah.
No,
Alright, this is so cool. I look so good in this, bro. I like this. This is how much?
No, that's for the ladies.
I am lady.
Which one?
Wow.
So do you accept Bitcoin?
Do you accept Bitcoin?
No, I don't accept it.
Wow, bro. I love Bulawayo.
Yeah.
It's full.
Main Street is next.
Guys, I just got myself this because it's too cold. I hope it does the job. It will, right?
Yeah, it's really
Look at it,
good.
what is he wearing? Warning. Can start about Bitcoin anytime.
Anytime.
Woo. Yeah. Okay, we can't go in, right? What are you trying to do? You're gonna buy with this money? You're gonna buy with this. This will you accept?
How much?
This is
How much?
how much is this? 20 billion? Huh?
I don't know.
20 billion. This is Zimbabwe.
Hey,
20 million is Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
Are you going?
Can you buy this?
Are you going?
Yes, when do you?
Yeah.
Nice one. $20 million.
Can we buy something with that?
Ah, yeah. Yeah, a car. A house in the car.
House and a car. Yeah, this is just $1. $1 for fresh peanut butter.
Yeah.
Thank you, man. Sure. Bye bye. Let's go. I feel you got caps, you got shoes, you got everything here. You can just live on it.
Yeah.
Imagine Bitcoin coming to the streets, man.
It will be big.
Yeah,
It will be big, man.
it will be big, right?